today, papunta kami sa Linhang. Okay, the next day, uwi na kami sa Cebu. Stay kami overnight sa Linhang. Tapos, continue the next day to Amsterdam. Yeah, Amsterdam, Cebu. Dito kami nakaupo sa silent. We sit in silent. I'm talking. Yeah, but they were talking, so I can talk also. So, silent kami nakaupo. So, samahan niyo kami today. Itour ko kayo sa Dinha. We're staying in Dinha, no? Sa also nice city. But we will not eat in the Filipino food.
No?
No. The barbecues. Because we have a lot of food in the Philippines.
Yeah, I've been there several times.
Yeah.
I do like it there though.
Yeah.
If it's a cozy restaurant, the food is always good.
So, samahan mo kami. Photo. Karating na namin sa hotel. So, room tour na naman tayo. May ano sila. Siyempre, maliit na ref. Walang laman. Tapos safe. Tapos yan. And, toilet natin sa akin. Nangihi pa. Yan. May ano dito. Chuk, chuk, chuk. Malapit lang talaga to sa station. Paglabas mo ng station, hotel agad. Para bukas hindi na kami mag ano-ano. Nandito kami nagstay sa Dinha, sa Babylon Hotel. Ito yung pa-bed nila. Okay lang naman yung bed nila. Tapos may balkon pa sila dito. Oh. May pa-balcony pa sila. Tapos last time doon nag-ganon yung mga Duterte dyan ay sa labas. Malapit lang. Duterte supporters. Sure. So, ito lang yung pa-bed namin. Very spacious din siya. Tapos may bat pa. Pauti din natin kanina. Ito lang, ano siya, terno siya. Same siya last time nung sinuot ko na ano siya, red. Red na stripe. Ito ano siya, black. Mga kainan. Madaling wapo.
We have arrived.
Yeah, you're tired?
No,
Oh, that's good. You should not
I would
be
like to
tired.
go outside.
Yeah. Wait, some mag-lipstick sa.
We'll grab a bite.
I want to eat patat.
No, that's fine. We like fries.
I like fries.
We'll just find a snack bar. I don't know. I hear some noise outside. I guess some kind of marching band.
We will tour you around in Dinha because we're in Dinha. No?
Yes, The Hague.
The Hague. Dinha. Mag-lipstick. Tara, let's go na.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready to rumble.
Nice weather.
Lakad na kami, hanap ng makakainan. Gusto ko french fries. Agree ko kami sa Dinha. Ganda din dito sa Dinha. Wow, kaganda pa flowers nila. Na pumpkin. It's nice city here. Dinha is also a big city.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Coffee and banana bread.
Nice here, no? Nice yung pa-building dito sa Dinha. May ano din dito, Pinoy store. Di ko alam kung close ba ngayon or open. Mapunta ako dito sa Tokubika. Baka magutom ako mamaya ba. Maybe I should buy something for later. Maybe later is deck. Dito tayo sa Pinoy store. Magbili ako ng snack mamaya sa hotel. May dingdong din sila. Ikalin ending open for the camera. Ika-ekay ka. Bili na ako ng snack mamaya sa ano ba, room. Baka magutom ako. Chichirya. Oh, may chippy pa. Ito ay, gusto ko to. Marty's crackle. Ito yata yung Marty's crackle na gusto ko. Naman ako hindi man masarap. Ito masarap. Ano man siya? €3.25. Isa lang bilhin ito. Chippy siguro. Nalibog ako. Chippy. Parat-parat. Gusto ko yung paalat-alat. Ito lang siguro French fries. Gusto ko din yan. Nalibog ako kung ano. Chippy? Yeah, I like chippy too. Maybe kuan chippy na lang siguro. No, muulan na. Gutom. Muulan na ba? Punta na kami sa kakainan. Cooker, muulan na. Wala kaming payong. Ganda din dito sa Dinha kasi malaki itong city na to. Madaming tourist. Tingnan lang kayo dyan. Maganda din building dito. Snello? Ah, car is duur. Oh, lekker man. Yeah, kijk, we ate there before.
Pre-owned.
The salsa. I find it lekker? Okay. Gutom guro ni. Shit. Tingnan nyo, naglain takoyaki. Mag-try tayo, Bi. Baka masarap.
That's for me.
Tara, pumpkin.
Daar heeft Frans het altijd over, die Café Tudor.
Yeah.
But they have a very nice apple pie.
Oh, you know, I buy the milk tea there. Oh.
But I also saw
Last
the Café
time.
Tudor at the station.
Yeah?
So I think they also have an outlet there.
Yeah, maar duur.
Train station. But he said, nah, they're
Try namin yung burger 5 guys. Kain pumpkin. Kain. Snack ya. Kumain kami ng burger ba? Isang order na burger tapos french fries. Hati kami sa akin. Gutom pa din ako. Hati-hati kasi kami. Kasi gusto kong mag-try din ng ibang pagkain. Na-try na din namin yung 5 guys. 5 guys burger. You like it?
yeah, good.
Okay. I think we like it better than...
Satisfied about it.
Yeah, okay. Let's go. Punta kami sa Primark. Tingin lang. So, magtingin-tingin tayo dito kayo. Kita ko para ano ba? Yung discount here. Tingin lang. Oh, may maganda. For the bowl. No, I don't want to go up. I just here. For the sale.
Because other people also go up.
No, I don't need to go there. Just have a look for the sale. That's all. I'm not gonna buy expensive. Just 2-3 euro or 5. That's all. Like colorful. Kadlakad muna kami dito sa Dinha. Oh, welcome to Dinha. Ang kabigan rin sa bili ng apple tart dito. The best apple tart here to?
No, it's a bit further down the road.
Ah, okay. Sa akin yung kaibigan niya, sabi masarap yung apple tart kay paborito ko yung apple tart. Hindi ko alam kung magtingin lang na tingin. Ayaw ko nang ano ngayon kay gabi na. Try natin yung sabi niya sa akin best apple tart. So let's try. It's okay, but I taste better than that. Yeah. Sabi niyo, yung kabigan niya masarap. Diyan. Hindi naman ay normal lang. Enjoy. Ganda rin dito eh. Yeah, bag. Expensive bag. Nagusto ko ito. Cute, very cute siya. Ayaw ko ng bag, dami ko ng bag. Tingin lang kayo dyan. Ganda ng paano dyan, ang bulaklak. Piki ba? Ito maganda. Hey, Vayhan here, Boughton.
Yeah. Kom connect with the silicon ergens. Ik heb alles moeten verhogen.
Tingin tayo kayo. Yung sapatos ni Saki Eco. Baka meron maganda. Ang ganda, oh. Ano, maybe not. Look, lekker fresh plums fruit. Wow, yummy. Hanap ko, Sarah. I don't. Darda. See? Nagbit it out. See, excited somewhere in the hook. Yung French fries, oh. Van Haren. Waffle. Cook Grauman in here.
Right when making it, so they put it together and then they sell it for 1 euro.
Dito tayo sa Sarah. Tingin lang ba? Baka may sobra pa sa sale. Sale lang naman ang bulot.
Over there is also the... Oh, it's over there, I think, the Greek restaurant that I was talking about.
Ah, yeah.
They're closed for the holidays.
Yeah, okay. Sila ito, Chinatown. Parang yung pumunta kami sa Antwerp ba? Diba, travel lang, travel. Kahit walang pira. May pira pamliti. Pang shopping, wala na. Mardar in Antwerp, design it so feel so. Like Barkanyaya, Patatalen, nee, niet zoveel.
Dus nee, die zijn er steeds minder.
Ja. Punta daw kami, hindi ka tingin-tingin. Hanggang tingin ka na lang, kay walang sapi. Sapi. Kaya magpunta tayo sa Pinas, mag-ano pa tayo maaari. Tiki Max. Tiki Max. You fit with the bag. Ang ganda ng bag nyo yan. Yeah. Nice bag, no? Magbila ako next time ng malaking bag. Ganyan na bag. Kasi yung bag namin maliliit. I like that one, yellow. Tintayin tayo shade o mga branded dito. Tingin tayo dito. Gusto kong magbili ng wallet. Kaya yung wallet ko sobrang laki. Hindi ka siya ng bag ko. Bili ako ng mga ganito lang ba? Size. Ganito. Okay na to ganito. Ulan ko din. Den Haag, Netherlands. Oh, parang nasa ibang bansa ka din. Parang nasa Belgium ka. Oh, pumpkin. Ano yung pumpkin? Ganda na. Ang ganda ng bulak-bulak. Oh, it's so dirty there, the water. Maganda nito. Building.
Oh gosh.
Happy Tuesday. There we eat the kwanto, the potato with a lot of rosemary too. There, that's why the last time I cook, I put a lot of rosemary. Let it pick dark clear. This is par. Okay, pizza. Like a pizza man. Pizza mit kuan, Javula.
Nou, het is volgens mij een hele gezellige pizzeria.
Ja, en hier
Als we
ook.
binnen kijken, zit het gewoon hartstikke leeg. En dat is ook wat waard. En
Ja.
bij mij zit hij gewoon in zo'n straatje, maar dat is gewoon een heel leuk ding.
The burger daar ook goed. Zoveel restaurant here. Murals. Pabalik na kami sa hotel. Mag-ano na din dito, mag 7 p.m. Ito yung hotel namin sa Dinha. Babylon, Leonardo Hotel, Leonardo Baprico. Let's go.
We got the key card.
Ik heb dus loto. Ay, paano dito? Pero yung hotel ko doon sa Antwerp, magpasok mo ba, sobrang bango. Dito bahong ansuman. Here ba, if you get inside, bahong, it's like someone pee.
We zitten hier.
Sure.
We're done for today.
Then, and tomorrow, ang binili ko lang doon is my favorite Marty's Crafty, yung vegetarian. At nagbili din ako nagdaan ako supermarket, nagbili ako ng chamomile tea. Baka mag-tea ako mamayang gabi. And dingdong. Nagbili ako ng dingdong kay magkain kami breakfast dito. Pag lunch hindi na kami magkain. Kasi ayaw kong madaming kainin pag flight ko, lalo na long flight. So, ito yung babawning ko. Dingdong. Para kung may magutom ako, snack-snack. Yun lang. Dingdong at Marty's Crafty and chamomile tea. So, I think that's all for today's video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy and thank you so much for watching. And tomorrow is our flight going to Cebu. Are you excited, Pumpkin?
I am.
Why? You always like to eat pampalaya?
I'm not really looking forward to the long flight, but
So what are you looking forward?
Once we're there, I'm very happy.
Why? What do you like to eat there?
Ampalaya
What else?
and manga.
Oh, that's all? Okay, you eat rice and ampalaya every day. Breakfast.
I would like to.
Yeah, that's what he like. Pag umuwi, no, that's what you like, no? But me, I cannot eat rice in the morning anymore.
You
Because-
should just get used to it.
No, I don't think so. Yeah, because so kung natingnan yung mga vlogs, pag kumain ako ng rice in the morning too, the last time they don't have bread in the morning too, or in the hotel, I feel like vomiting and I get a bowel pain. So, sumakit yung tiyan ko. Parang hindi na siya nasanay. Nasanay talaga sa bread. Because I can do without rice. It's fine with me.
Yeah.
I need to feel rice too.
No, not anymore.
Yeah, so thank you. I love you all. Bye.
Bye bye.